Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to create this really easy sparkly eye makeup look for New Year's Eve. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I was actually thinking to start with my eye makeup first, but I have changed my mind now and I'm going to start with my skin first. Okay, so let's prep the skin. So first I'm going to go in with my Max Prep Plus Prime Pore Refiner Stick. And also guys, the dress that I'm wearing right now is the same dress that I was wearing last year as well, New Year's के लिए. And yeah, ये dress पहनने के बाद I'm in a really good mood. I absolutely love this dress. It's a really stunning dress actually. So yeah, so let's apply the primer. On my chin. This primer really helps in making your skin look smooth, guys. So the foundation looks really nice. Okay, so next up I'm going to spray this Urban Decay's Quick Fix Hydra Touch Complexion Prep Priming Spray. So the primer has dried down completely, guys, and now I'm going to apply the foundation. So today I am going to apply Huda Beauty's 4 Filter Foundation. This one is in the shade Baklava, and with this foundation I'm going to mix my BECCA's Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. और मैंने लास्ट ईयर न्यू ईयर्स पे यही हुडा ब्यूटी का फाउंडेशन भी अप्लाई किया था. इट वॉज एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने ये फाउंडेशन अप्लाई किया था एंड आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी विद द कवरेज एंड द वे इट स्टेड ऑन माई स्किन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू ब्लेंड दिस फाउंडेशन विथ माई ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. तो मैंने फाउंडेशन अप्लाई कर दिया है एंड यू कैन सी माई स्किन इज लुकिंग रियली नाइस एंड ग्लोई. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस गाइस, बिकॉज ऑफ बेका's शिमरिंग स्किन परफेक्टर. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस लिक्विड हाइलाइटर. इट्स सच अ लवली प्रोडक्ट. अदरवाइज ये जो हुडा ब्यूटी का फाउंडेशन है, आपको पता है कि पूरा मैट फिनिश है इस फाउंडेशन का, बट न्यू ईयर्स के लिए हम मेकअप करें तो थोड़ा सा ऑब्वियसली स्किन ग्लोई अच्छी लगती है, तो इसलिए आज मैंने अपना हुडा ब्यूटी के साथ बेका का लिक्विड हाइलाइटर मिक्स किया. Now let's apply the concealer, और आज मैं 2 concealers apply करने वाली हूँ. So first I'm going to apply Huda Beauty's the Overachiever concealer. This one is in the shade Graham Cracker, and then I'm going to apply NARS का Radiant Creamy Concealer. This one is in the shade Ginger. तो सबसे पहले मैं Huda Beauty का concealer apply करने वाली हूँ. This concealer is also really good, guys. And now I'm going to apply NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. My under eyes are looking so good, guys. Now let's set our under eyes with Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. And it is no surprise that I'm setting the rest of my face with NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation in the shade Golden. So yeah. No idea why, but you guys can see ये area patchy हो गया है. You can see like a big patch over here. So I'm just going to try to fix this part. so much better. So since I'm doing hot pink lips today, so I'm going to apply like a nice pink blush, and I'm using my Tarte's Blush Bazaar palette, and I'm going to go in with this blusher called Exhilarating, which is this one. And for my highlighter, I'm going to go in with Anastasia's AMREZY highlighter. So I'm going to quickly fill in my brows, finish the left side of my eye makeup, and I'll be right back. So this is what I have done for my eye makeup, guys, and believe me, it is so easy to create and I'm actually loving it. Okay, so I've already primed my lid with Fenty Beauty's Amplifying Eye Primer. So first, I'm going to go in with Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one is in the shade Deep Bronzer. And I'm going to apply this bronzer all over my lid. And now I'm going to apply Anastasia's AMREZY highlighter. I'm just going to apply some more bronzer. Alright, so now we are going to take our Dose of Colors Friendcation eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this gorgeous eyeshadow. It's called Just a Kiss. You know, last न्यू ईयर में भी मैंने यही सेम आई शेडो पैलेट यूज़ किया था, और मैंने यही आई शेडो अप्लाई किया था विद अ बंच ऑफ अदर आई शेडोज़, जैसे डार्क ब्राउन आई शेडो है, ये सब मैंने ये 1 2 3 ये आई शेडोज़ भी यूज़ किए थे, लेकिन आज मैं सिर्फ यही आई शेडो यूज़ कर रही हूँ. And now I'm going to line my upper lash line with Milani's Stay Put Matte Liquid Liner. And this one is in the shade Black Matte. And I'm going to tightline my eye with Milani's Stay Put Waterproof Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Linked On Black. So I'm tightlining my upper lash line. For my mascara, I'm applying L'Oreal's Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Now on my inner corner, I'm going to apply this same Anastasia AMREZY highlighter. So I'll just quickly apply my false eyelashes and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to outline and fill in my lips with NYX Matte Lip Liner in the shade Pink Lust. And for the lip color today, I'm going to apply Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Pinky Promise. Last but not least, I'm going to set my makeup with Milani's Make It Last Setting Spray.